Hi, welcome to ASA Technical. What if I told you Windows 11 has a brand new taskbar but Microsoft didn't tell you about it? Don't worry, no downloads from shady websites, no complicated scripts, just one hidden feature inside PowerToys. Actually, this is not your regular taskbar. It's faster, cleaner, and feels like a next-gen Windows experience. First, you need Microsoft PowerToys. Go to Microsoft Store. Now download and install or update to the latest version. Once installed, open PowerToys settings. On the left side, click on Command Palette or press Win plus Alt plus space key combination. Then you will see a search bar pop up. Now here's the hidden part most people miss. From here, go to Settings and look for Dock Preview. Now just run it on from here. You now have a dock style bar at the top of your screen. So technically, this is not a real Windows taskbar. But if you think about it, it works like a next-gen taskbar replacement. Launch apps instantly, search files in seconds, runs command like a pro, all without touching the old taskbar. Actually, make it even better. Disable centered pop-up for cleaner dock fill. Adjust width and theme. It enables plugins like calculator, file search and web search. As you can see, it feels like a real productivity dock. So this is not exactly a new taskbar, but honestly, this might be even better. So I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you have any questions, then please let us know. Please like, comment, share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.